In this video, I'll guide you through how to get free AI power in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access Google's built-in AI tools, how to bring Gemini into your documents, and how to extend Docs even further using free add-ons. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can start using AI to speed up your writing and editing right away. Let's start at the very beginning by opening Google Docs. Open your browser and go to your Google Docs homepage. Then either create a new blank document or open an existing one you'd like to work on. Make sure you're signed in with a Google account because AI features are tied to your account and may vary depending on your region and plan. Once your document is open, you're ready to explore the AI options. Now, let's focus on the built-in AI features that may already be available in your account. Google has been rolling out AI capabilities right inside Docs, sometimes under the name Gemini or as smart suggestions. Depending on your account, you might see prompts like "Help me write" or AI icons within the document interface. These can help you draft text, rewrite sentences, or adjust tone. If you see any of these options, try clicking them and entering a short description of what you want, such as "write a professional email" or "summarize this paragraph." The AI will generate content based on your prompt, which you can then edit, shorten, or expand. If Gemini is integrated into your workspace, you might be able to open it from within Docs or from the side panel. Gemini can help you brainstorm ideas, outline documents, or rephrase existing content. For example, you can paste a paragraph and ask Gemini to make it more concise or more formal. This is especially useful when you're stuck or want to improve clarity without rewriting everything from scratch. Remember that all generated text is just a starting point. Always review it to make sure it matches your intent, is factually correct, and sounds like you. Beyond the built-in tools, Google Docs allows you to add extra AI capabilities through add-ons. To explore these, go to the top menu in your document and select Extensions. Then choose Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can browse tools that integrate directly with Docs. In the search bar, type AI-related terms such as AI Writer, AI Assistant, or similar phrases. You'll see a list of available extensions, many of which offer free tiers. When you find an AI add-on that looks useful, click on it to read the description, check ratings, and see what permissions it requests. If it fits your needs, click Install and follow the prompts to allow it to connect to your Google account. Once installed, the add-on will usually appear under the Extensions menu in Docs. From there, you can open it and start using its features such as generating drafts, rewriting text, or getting suggestions inside your document. With your AI tools set up, you can begin generating or editing content directly in Google Docs. Start by writing a rough sentence or paragraph, then use the AI to refine it. Ask it to improve clarity, change the tone to more formal or casual, or expand a short idea into a full paragraph. You can also use AI to summarize long sections, create outlines, or suggest headlines and titles. The key is to think of AI as a helper that speeds up your workflow while you stay in control of the final result. As you work, experiment with different prompts and features to see what gives you the best output. Over time, you'll get a feel for how to phrase your requests so the AI understands what you want. And remember, you can always keep or discard the AI suggestions. With these tools in place, Google Docs becomes a much more powerful writing environment, giving you free AI assistance right where you need it.